Hello everyone! I am so excited to finally share with you my ginger jeans. It is so exciting to make your own jeans. If you've been thinking about it for a while, just do it. I'm so happy with the way these turned out. I did have to make a lot of adjustments, but now they're so comfy. I wear them all the time. I usually cuff the hems like this. And I am super happy with them. The denim is from Threadbare Fabrics. It's Cone Mills S-Jean denim that has great recovery, so it stretches around where it needs to, but you don't have saggy knees at the end of the day. Here's a little closer view. I'll talk about some of the adjustments I made. I took some fabric out of the crotch by deepening the curve because I had a lot of whiskering going on in the front, and I also took a decent amount out of the center back, like a big wedge, because I have that sway back there and it was really gaping a lot, but now it fits great. I love my pockets. As you can see, I did some Harry Potter details. I'll show you more of that in a minute. I also took some fabric out of the hips, and I took about 1 inch out of the back rise to really snug all of that in. I cut a 4 in the waist and a 6 in the hip, but honestly I probably could have cut a 2 all the way around. Here's some closer look at my top stitching details. I used a sort of blush dusty rose color thread, and I really love the way it looks with the dark denim. And you can see my cute Deathly Hollows and lightning bolt. I wanted to do some fun details. I've been trying to add more fun details into my garments, and I just freehanded those with some tailor's chalk until I had the look I liked. And here's the front top stitching. I have a cute white zipper, my buttons, my rivets, some dog feet at the top of the screen there. I'm so happy with the way these turned out. I did have some trouble installing the rivets. That took me a few tries to get it right, but now they're pretty stable and keeping everything solid. And then I made my pocket bags out of this cute vintagey floral fabric, another fun detail that I really love. So these are my ginger jeans. Make jeans, people. It's so much fun and so rewarding. Happy sewing, everyone.